You want to engage more in living a life. How do you do it? The easiest way. Learn how to breathe properly. Learn to use your breath as good as you can. Learn from resources that are available and learn the practices that go hand in hand with it.
For Shi Heng Yi, breathing is not something separate from movement, it is the movement. Each inhalation invites energy into the body, while each exhalation releases tension and stagnation. By aligning breath with motion, practitioners discover how to dissolve inner blockages, creating harmony between physical health and spiritual clarity.
So Qigong is breath work. And why do we say that breath work helps with the connection? It's because our breath is the only thing in this complete universe that is literally traveling always with every breath from inside world to outside world. Because the air, the oxygen comes from there and comes in and is then inside of you. So the air, we say, is that intermediate link between the internal world and the external world. This is why then on a later level, sometimes people become spiritual and say Qigong is the key, because it is that missing link between the external and the internal. And like I mentioned before in some conversations, this is why there are existing spiritual Qigong practices.
Shi Heng Yi teaches that breath reflects your state of mind. For example, when someone is anxious, the breath becomes shallow and fast. When a person is calm, the breath naturally lengthens. Qigong trains you to become aware of this connection and to consciously reshape it. Through steady practice, you learn how to extend the breath, to slow it down, and to use it as a tool to regulate emotions. This practice gradually opens a doorway to deeper awareness of yourself and your environment. Before we begin Shi Heng Yi's Qigong practice, to strengthen your lungs and body, let's take a moment to prepare our minds.
Left hand on the right elbow, then arm. Inside, out, in, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Switch. Right palm here left. Then look, I go in, under the arm, under, on top, out. On top, back, 1.
This movement is not just physical, it is energetic. You are opening your chest not just to oxygen, but to courage, to love, to the energy of life. With every inhale, you feed your body. With every exhale, you release tension.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. There. Squat. Squat down. Squat down. Elbows inside the knees. Push a little bit out. Try to keep the heels on the floor. Here. Move a bit, feel inside. Loosen up the area.
Visualize warm energy flowing from your chest down to your center. Feel your whole body strong, balanced, and calm.
Now, from here, try to keep the one foot down, the other leg, the left one, push out. Here, hold the balance. Okay. Then inhale, stand up, inhale. Exhale, sink. Inhale. Exhale. In. Out.
Your chest is not just muscle, it is the gateway to breath, to spirit, to emotional strength. Strengthening it through Qigong doesn't mean tension. It means resilience. Soft, yet powerful. Open, yet protected.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. Relax, jump. Hip rotate. Other direction. Okay, good. Now right knee, right elbow, left knee, left elbow. Lift the knee up. Look here. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Only the right leg. Only one side here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step in, up, back. In, up, down, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step in, lift up, elbow, you can touch here if you like, then down and back again. Okay, and 1, 2, 3.
It builds strength from the center inside your heart, your lungs, your breath.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Switch side. Left elbow, left knee. Again, step in, lift up, down, back. 1, up, down, back. In, up, down, back. In, up, down, back. In, up, down, back. In, up, down, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay.